My phone. Okay. Wait. Yeah.
Okay, can you see my screen clearly?
Yeah. Now I can see your screen.
Okay. Uh, okay, now you can start the time. And yeah, hello everyone. Uh, it's my big pleasure to be here to give a presentation to all of you. Uh, yeah, so excited. Uh, my presentation is focus on my past work about robotics control and uh, teaching robots. And to start with, let me introduce myself briefly. I'm Heng Zhang, and I'm a new PhD candidate here. And before I joined IIT, I was a graduate student and majored in control engineering, and my research focused on, uh, as I said before, teaching robots. During my master degrees, during my master period, I spent too much time in the company. In the video, this is a collaborative project uh, uh, between our lab and startup. Uh, the research experience I'd like to introduce is from my thesis, master thesis, including these four parts. Please have a look at the blue textbooks. This is the reason and the motivation why I developed this method. This is the research object and also the sensors like FT sensor or RGB camera. Yeah, I have a solid foundation in robot control, like kinematics and dynamics. Okay, here is the first part. It's a FT sensor-based drag teaching method. Uh, Simply put, this method is essentially using a FT sensor to perceive the magnitude and the direction of the external force, and then converting them as a signal to the robot controller as control commands. Mm, uh, After data processing. So the core of this method is data processing, like filter and amplify, and also set a threshold and limited signal. Uh, in this method, drag control is the basis. So I developed two different methods. For one is the inverse kinematics based method, and another one is the Jacobi based method. This is about velocity, and the former one is about positions. Uh, Here we can see the videos from the first one. We can see the robot can run well in replay mode, and from the second video, we can say the robot can be dragged easily, even the force is so tiny. Okay, here is a video about Jacobi-based method. The first video is about a test for single direction drag. Okay, we can see the test for all round drag. It plays play well. Okay. As we all know, sometimes FT sensor is so expensive compared with the light collaborative robots. So, how to reduce teaching cost is a open question. Uh, so here I developed a sensor-free method for teaching robots. Uh, um, yeah, yeah, we can get the theoretical talk uh, uh, about the uh, every joint at different position and velocity. Um, via dynamics model and also because of the approximately linear relationship between the motor servo motor and the current value. So we can get the actual talk about each joint, each motor joint. So we can compare them to get the external talk. So uh, we can we can achieve this feature and uh, considering robot to human interaction, safety issue must not be ignored. Uh, so I developed the vision-based real-time robot arm for turning imitation from human. Uh, Sorry. So that to avoid injury, personal injury, uh, so that that may be caused uh, um, by directly contact between the user and the robot, and in this method, the user and the robot can be distributed in different places, so to achieve intrinsic safety. Based on RGB camera, a key point of a human body can be captured and processed. Uh, you can see the picture. Uh, then this key information can be mapped into the end of the robot. I mean the end in the effect of the robot. Uh, so the robot can emit the human movement trajectory in real time. Uh, we can see the performance from this video. Okay. Now it's the last part. Uh, as we all know, our robot has a good feature of drag teaching, but it cannot. I mean, it's unable to learn some new skills by itself. To avoid the limitation, that one task must be taught separately. Uh, so I developed this IR-based method for robot manipulation skill learning, based on reinforcement learning. Firstly, the simulated model was generated. Yeah, this model is about the robots at our lab. The environment is in Majoko. This is a learning curve. I used the DDPG algorithm and also with her technology. Uh, Using Intel i7 computer without any GPU to accelerate. We can see the performance from the video and the GIF. The left one is pick and place, and on top right, it's push. Bottom right is sliding. Uh, yeah, we can see the last two parts only about simulation setting. Just because during this pandemic, yeah, I can't access to my lab. Uh, to sum up, yeah, this is the end of my presentation. The slides only to show you my experience in robots, and also I would like to do more solid works with you guys in the near future. Uh, Thank you. Thank you. Okay, this is end.
Yes.
How is the time?
Mm,
What's
10 minutes and 50.
10,
Okay. 10分钟 50秒.
10, 10 minutes?
Yeah, and 50
Okay, I
seconds.
know. Oh, yeah, sorry.
How is the time? It's okay. They need
Uh,
more than 10 minutes.
Sorry.
What they said about the time.
Oh, no more than 15 minutes. Eh? How should
Yeah,
I
uh,
exist?
yeah,
Oh,
it's okay. Hey, you can look. You can take time there uh, in PowerPoint.
uh,
You can see the
oh yeah, yeah,
time.
yeah. I know it.
Yeah,
Yeah, but sometime, sorry, sometime when I start my presentation, yeah, I always forgot it.
yeah,
Mm. So it's about 11 minutes.
yeah, yeah. It's about 11 minutes.
Okay. Okay. How about how about my speech? It's too fast.
Oh, it's not so fast. Yeah,
Okay.
it's normal. It's okay. This is the first time for you.
Yeah. So yeah. Also, this is the first time with no script. So
Yeah, but this is the first time for your this one PPT.
yeah, it's first time. Yeah, to give a presentation to them.
Mm.
You can, yeah, maybe you have found that sometimes yeah, I mean uh I can't I don't know how to say
Mm.
sometimes. Yeah, sometimes it's not so fluent.
Yes, but it's okay. But I think how they are Italian. teacher, Italian professor.
Yeah, yeah. She's he's Italian.
Okay, so uh, I was there. How is his English so fluent?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, but you said before maybe that one from Iran. You told
Oh,
me, yeah.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
also maybe in another university
Yes, yeah. In German.
or in
Uh,
German.
yeah. Mm. Also, do you have any advice?
Yeah, maybe you can read more than one time. Yeah, and you
Mm,
can speak so easily, so like you are like so easy. You can speak so easily, so easy. You know,
what's your meaning? What's about speak easily?
you can say like this robot, and we get this logarithm like easily how to say don't say like a lot of time like like this.
Oh,
Yeah, say like street like easily and continue your like yeah
okay, okay. Maybe I need more
like
practice.
yeah when you speak like this sentence you speak like to like from the first like this and the to end and you can't stop like you can stop and they know you stopped in this sentence and the other one the third one you know like step by step
So,
step by step.
okay, I know. So I need some stop.
Yeah, you can like speak like one sentence and no stop like a lot of time. You can like read maybe in yeah you can like speak for something and you can read for something like all the time like this and like uh to end and you can speak you can stop like and the second one so you can take the second one and stop some and third they know you are you like you finished this one and you go to the second one and the third one, like Chinese, like when you speak in Chinese, like when you,
So
uh,
it's not clear in my presentation.
no, it's so clear, it's so clear,
Oh, okay.
oh,
Mm.
it's so clear.
So, what words I use uh too many times?
You say which one, which words? Yeah,
So I don't know.
uh, I said when sometime when you speak, you can like you can speak like Chinese, not just don't take a lot of time. Like you can speak like Chinese, when you speak in Chinese, uh, how to speak, how to like, how to in Chinese when you speak with the teacher in Chinese with professor. It's when you speak, it's like so easily, Can talk a lot and uh, like don't take a lot of time. Sometime, you know.
I don't know what's your meaning. So you mean my presentation, my speak is too formal?
No, it's okay. But you said give you some advance, and you can keep your
Yeah,
more. You know.
yeah.
Yeah, I guess I think you can speak like Chinese. You can speak like maybe when you practice two or more than two times. You can be more fluent, more. Most,
Oh, I got.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Maybe this is the first time.
I got
Yeah,
it.
yeah. I think the first time you
I
can.
got it.
Yeah. Uh,
Thank you. Thank you. Oh,
你可以跟嗯汇报，you know 汇报。
what is play ball?
Uh, you can Fayan, you know Fayan, Fayan, Fayan in Chinese. Fayan 汇报，汇报
Oh,
PPT
oh, got it.
汇报。对，can speak like 汇报 and yeah, Fayan. 汇报。你可以说我的汇报主题是 you look in Chinese. So like yeah, you can speak like this. My report like and stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
汇报主题是let's see, what's my I like this one. 的汇报主题是指挥交通场景中车载雷达相关技术研究，和从一些这个方面展开。
Mm.
对，
I have said this sentence.
但是你 your report is so good, so good. You have a lot of videos and yeah, a lot of like make it so clear. Yeah, a lot of videos and some yeah, some people, some students they don't like put videos or something like this, no. But this will like so clearly. They will be so clear.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're
Maybe
welcome.
I need some time
Yeah,
some
you
time
have to get
to practice.
yeah, you have to get a rest. Maybe you are now so tired. Yeah, drink.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can drink hot water. Some yeah, some lemon
I
and
don't have one.
why you can buy. So it's okay.
Yeah, I don't have.
Not yeah. There is a lot of my students here. They are so